how to create a vote poll in WhatsApp. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the WhatsApp application on your device, and further go ahead and open the conversation or the group conversation in which you want to create a poll in. Further, tap on the plus icon you see there at the bottom left of your screen, and you will then see various options. Here, tap on the poll option and now go ahead and type in your question, and under the options tab, go ahead and add in your options. Once added, you can then go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for allow multiple answers if you want to enable multiple answers. You can also tap on the three lines you see there to move the options up and down. Once done, tap on the send button, and with this, as you can see, the poll has been created. So this is how you can create vote poll in WhatsApp. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.